Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. And guys, we finally got the breakout. So earlier this week and all this week, Uncle Charles talked about how we could possibly be having a chop fest for the S&P 500, and that was the case for Monday and Tuesday. Now this is a 15-minute chart. If you look at my white lines right here, this is the 407 level, this is the 413 level, and you can see we had a couple bounces from there and a bunch of rejections from that 413 level. Over here we got some washes above, but it never quite closed above 413 until today. We finally got the breakout, guys. So how are we going to trade this? All right, now here it is. Uncle Charlie does not do predictions. I just identify setups. Okay, my motto is know the levels, know the setups, and just trade it. Now that we got the breakout, in theory, we should get a one-directional move. Okay, since it's a breakout to the upside, that one-directional move in theory should be to the upside. Thus, the bear market rally continuing. Okay, but here's what we need to watch out for. Here are the setups. Now that we got the breakout, you can see at the end of the day, I had a 415 level. Guys, I talked to you guys about that 415 level. It broke out. Spent many hours during the day today basing under it, showing acceptance of the price instead of rejection of the price. We got the breakout on the 330 candle, but at the end of the very day, got the false breakout setup. Okay? Very important that this 413 level holds. Since if SPY decides to pull back deeper, which it is after hours right now, if it does test that 413 level, that is an absolute must hold level, because that was the range of the chop. Okay, that was the range of the chop range. So if it tests, we need to see it hold. I'll feel more comfortable if it tests 413 and then clear 415. Then I'll probably look for calls there. Okay. However, if 413 fails, guys, we are heading back inside that chop range. Within the chop range, I got 412, 410-ish, 408.5, and then the support of the chop down at 407, which is also my 38.2 retracement level, okay? So we look at the daily chart. All right, that 407 level is very critical. It's based on my 38.2 retracement level, so watch out for that level. If it breaks down, all right? So 413 fails, back in the chop range, watch that 407 support level, all right? Because false breakouts are very bearish. However, if we do hold 413 and it does clear 415, I got the next critical level. I have a level at 416.5, but the next critical level is the 418-ish level based on my 23.6 retracement level back from the March 2020 low all the way to the January 2022 high. Okay, and if 418 happens to clear, which would be very bullish and a massive win for the bulls, I have the next resistance level at 421, which is my 50% retracement level. My fib levels from January high down to June low. 50% retracement level is 421. Possible top there, I don't know, but we will see. Okay, guys, so here's the key things to remember. We broke out of the chop. 413 is must hold level. That's the breakout level of the chop. If it breaks under 413, that is bearish. False breakout, look for puts. Okay, 413 holds and we start clearing more resistant levels starting with 415, 416.5, and especially that 418 level. Look for calls, okay? Because that's what Uncle Charles does. He short the failures of support levels and he long the breakouts of resistance, okay? Triple Q. I thought Triple Q was going to get like a cool down today, but it did not. I had the 50% retracement level at 320.65. Triple Q did not give a damn and it just broke right through, okay? Broke right through it. So here's the thing. Now that that's a breakout, it needs to hold. Below 320.65, it's a false breakout. Look for puts. As long as it holds, all right, next resistance right now is at 323.5, which was today's high. Got to watch out for that. I also got a resistance around 325, another resistance around 329.8-ish, and then the critical one at 332.8, which is my 61.8 retracement level. So keep it simple. Above 320.65, I am bullish. If it fails, look for puts. I am bearish. False breakout mode. And here is Tesla still basing just under this resistance level. Okay, guys? It is not. I have resistance at 923.5. All right, it didn't break out yet. However, seeing that it's basing just under it, just like that, shows the lack of strong selling pressure. That's usually a bullish sign. So basing under a resistance like this usually favors the bulls, but we still need that confirmation. Above 923.5 puts 949 in play, okay? The next support right now is at the 200-day moving average, which is currently at 910.64. If that fails, there's support around 900. And then the big critical one, the 50% retracement level at 886.5, okay? AMC, well, I said if we can break out of 17, I'd be eyeballing the 18.3-ish level, which was the previous high back on July 21st, okay? Got around that level today so far, couldn't break it. So tomorrow's resistance for AMC is 18.3. If that clears, 20.8 is in play, and then possibly more upside. Critical support right now is 17. If 17 fails, that's a false breakout, and we can possibly see more downside. Keep in mind, if I make this chart a little bigger, possible potential double top. All right, but we need to see a loss of support to confirm. All right, guys, and last but not least, here is the flow sentiment for SPY. It is bearish. Filter for 500K premiums or above, 61% in the puts, 39% in the calls. If we look at the dark pool orders, it's kind of bullish because 1.5 billion in premium at that 408 level. Okay, so SPY is way above that. So dark pool showing some bullishness. Keep in mind, keep that 408 level in mind. All right, guys. So let me see, what else can I show you guys? I showed triple Q. Let's see some flow on triple Q. Yep, 77% puts. All right, so bearish, big money's bearish on it despite the price action being bullish. How about Tesla? What we got here? Tesla 24% in the put, 76% in the call. So big money is bullish on Tesla. How about AMC? AMC got nothing. Sorry guys, it has nothing. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.